All right, guys, we're going to give you a little information, a little intro to the truck wreck that we had this weekend. We got the call. Well, let me back up. So Casey, Ladelle, and I made a deal to trade the Beast, which was my big green four-wheel drive rollback that had the military crane on it, basically essentially a medium-duty rotator with a rollback bed and wheel lift also. I traded it for Casey's 40TB NRC. So back to what I was saying, Casey and I traded. I'm trading Casey the Beast for the 40TB NRC rollback of his. So Thursday evening, 4-ish, 4:20, somewhere in there in the afternoon, Casey rolls into my yard and he gets out. I shake his hand. We no more get into conversation a minute and a half, and law enforcement called, the sheriff's office called for a tractor trailer that left the roadway and went into Sandboys Creek over on 31 Highway south of me. So Casey grabs his gear, I grab my gear, some trucks and people, and man up, and we head out there. We get there. I knew it was bad by the way dispatch sounded, but I didn't dream it was this bad. So we get there, and the tractor trailer left the roadway and paralleled 31 Highway, the roadway, for about roughly 1,000 feet. Through the trees, through the grass, the underbrush, everything, and then jumps Sandboys Creek and hits the embankment on the opposite side of the creek. He was westbound, and it was very bad. The truck was loaded with packaged heat and air units for residential. It was really bad, but we got some good footage of it all. We're gonna be able to show y'all a lot of it. So first thing we done Thursday evening, we secured the scene, got traffic control and all that, and then the trailer was kind of sitting a little bit out of square, so we picked it up with Chris's rotator and straightened the tractor trailer up to where it would come out of the creek in a fairly straight manner. Started getting dark on us, so we worked till dark that night, a little after dark, and we called it off. I had a night watchman stay the night out there on the scene, but we called it off till the following morning. And most of the footage we have is for Friday, the second day we were there, but y'all will get to see a lot of it. We got a lot of good footage, so enough rambling, let's get to it. Alright guys, I was so in the moment trying to get this job to work and go smoothly, I didn't do a lot of explaining, so I'm going to do some voiceovers here and try to explain a little of this stuff a little better. Can y'all tell what we're doing? It's too off camera, we can't get the forklift in there to unload it, and we're scared that the trailer floor is not going to hold much, so we're going to try to get it up on the bank to get it unloaded. I can see a little bit of the cab now. I just wonder if the cab's going to stay there when the frame comes out from underneath it. Okay. Alright, right here guys, I want to show you where this fresh dirt is. This was all timber, so what the tractor trailer didn't take out as it came down through here, we had to take skid steers and move all that brush and timber and knock trees down and cut them up and get them all out of the way where we can get these heavies down in here to pull this. Pulling on it, you can hear the sheer weight of this thing fully loaded as we're pulling it out, cracking and popping and making all kinds of noises that make a wrecker operator uneasy. But it's moving, and we're getting it up on the bank, and it's leaving a mess behind. We're going to have a heck of a mess to clean up, but that's what we're here for. The cab is just completely demolished. It's just
falling to pieces as we're pulling it off that bank. You know, it was crushed down to about 3 foot long. The cab eventually falls plumb off the frame as we're pulling it. We have to pull it completely out of the water separate. Look at it, it's just a crumpled up mess. It hit so hard.
There's a big ass tree on that side. See the landing gear? If we keep pulling it the way it's going, that landing gear is going to hang in the root system of that tree. We don't want that. So we're going to hook up here in this tree here. We're going to pull it this way and then come. Video of that. So the 40 TB NRC truck, we're going to run to the trailer bogies, pull it over, get it off that tree. That tree's big and got a big root system, and it'll hang these landing gears if we don't get it away from it.
I'd like to introduce Denny Wayne right here. He's my mentor. He's helped me so much along the way. When I went in the record business, I bought his records. He's semi-retired now. He helps me on if I need help. He's really taught me a lot, and he's really helped me along the way. I couldn't be more thankful for Denny Wayne. He had a record service his whole life here in a town near me, and he's a book full of knowledge on record stuff.
Yeah. You got a big heavy chain. Take that clip. One of these. One of them right there. Yep. Go back here closest to the back. You got the string right here. So just yeah. I'm going to side load it, but it won't hurt. It won't hurt it. What do you think about the 40 TB?
I don't know. I hadn't really got a chance to look at it. Them things are stout. Yep.
Got too bigger.
She just needs to keep tension on it.
Yeah. We're going to be all over that big tree. It's already walked a couple foot that way. No good?
So here we got the 40 TB set up as a redirect to pull the front of the trailer towards the highway to go around that big tree that we're fighting. And try to keep the landing gear out of that root system as much as we possibly can. We end up having to pull the landing gear, which you'll see in this next clip. If we hadn't have done that, we would have fought it and fought it and fought it.
Hey, we're pulling the landing gear. Let me see that camera if I don't fall.
I can finally see the back of the truck.
So we're pulling the landing gear off, guys. Because you see this root system right here and that big tree? It'll never come up this bank. That landing gear, it'll hook.
What? I can get it. What?
Nothing you did. Whoa!
here was in the way, so we hooked the redirect line up to it. So here, guys, it was hung up. We stalled all 3 wreckers out pulling, and it was hooked on that root system, the back of the tractor. So we're doing a redirect with all 3 wreckers, and we're going to pull down on the back of the trailer to get the end of the tractor in the front of the trailer picked up on the pivoting on the middle of the trailer floor on the creek bank. And then we ran the yellow rotator, Chris's line, his second line, down to the front of the trailer to have a lifting line to help lift the front of the trailer and the back of the tractor and get it started up the creek bank. And it ended up working really well that way, just like I hoped.
What are you picking up? I want to snatch block down, pull down on it. I want to double line this way.
Okay.
I got it. Alright, I gotta go.
Jordan, take this hook back to where it's his truck.
I'll get it. Take it right there in the clip. No, right there against the back of the bed. Right there. Now let's help Chris. What's he gonna do now? He wants to run. You running one line down? Put one down there. Go down to that. Take it. Down to that. Take this one here. Go down to that. I'll take this one. So the outside one going down. Stay high line with it. The outside one, yeah. Hang on, where's Patrick? He out? Yeah. Yeah, we're good. Let it get plenty of slack. Put it that way. It takes off. Run it into that snatch block. As long as the trailer don't buckle. Yeah, that's what I'm worried about, pulling down like that. Kingpin handle's completely gone. It's smooth all the way down that side of the frame, smooth. Casey, let's run you down to the 5th wheel. We're trying to hook the front up, steer it back around and get back under the trailer where it'll steer out, go up the little pathway that we cleared the timber out.
Right, I'm gonna go lock the winch in.
All right.
Set it back here.
Patrick, give us an overview.
I need stitches.
Snitches get stitches.
It's bad.
Look at that frame, Ray.
I ain't ever seen nothing like this.
Man.
I mean, it's
Cockeyed.
might be rolled this way.
Yeah, it looks like it.
I don't know which way.
Damn sure
That frame is an accordion shape, all the way down.
It is.
Well, I guess it's straight in line, but the frame rolled. I was talking about them Z frames. Yeah, this has got it. This has got it.
I bet that's a leaf blower blowing out the trailer. I'm just gonna stand there and fishing. I figured it'd been automatic.
It probably is
Casey, give them Randy an interview on what you think.
Automatics have clutches.
Ask very
What's your
deep
favorite
and
food?
questions.
What's your favorite food? Is that what you said?
Give the people what they want.
Mexican food or pizza, one of the
Okay.
two. Is that it? That's all we need to know about Casey Ladelle.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
That's all
We
that
ate
matters.
Mexican last night.
Yeah.
I like you seen this frame in the frame shop. Right?
You should take that. You should call up the frame shop and be like, I've
Send
got
them
one.
pictures.
No, don't even do that. Just say I got one. It got tweaked a little accident. Wonder if I could come drop it off and you take a look at it and just bring them this on a rollback.
Dump it in their front
Yep.
door.
airliner down there we ain't in.
You want to hook air to it?
Yeah, hook air to it.
There's some good copper I see.
We've got it on halfway level ground. We're going to unload it. It's full of residential package heat and air units. We're going to try to get it offloaded, get them loaded into another dry van, and then we'll get it the rest of the way out and try to get it back to our yard.
Hey, though, we got this thing out of the creek fully loaded.
We did.
I've seen some scattered down the mountain. I think this is the worst damage I've ever seen. There's not a piece of it that's still there.
You can't even tell what it is. I mean, look at that dang indention they put in that bank. So that trailer, the DOT bumper, see that little ditch down there below them jacks?
Yeah.
That's where the DOT bumper landed. So it hit, it came right here, it hit, the trailer went up like that and landed over there.
Slid it over.
Last
So you
night
guys
we picked it and set it over here.
slid it back over.
Yeah, that was.
That the one Casey come to buy?
No, that was Chris's.
Oh.
Yeah, I was.
We don't have the beast. No, we don't have the beast out here.
No.
We didn't have no more drivers. We bought about every dang thing, and he was loaded with 2 wreckers.
Yeah, I brought
Or
two
with,
at once.
yeah. These are residential package unit heat and air units, and they're just accordioned up in there. It's going to be fun to unload. And it's hot in here, humid.
Can you hook a chain to that lip down there and drag them out to the middle?
It might hold, but it's like ductwork thickness. But it might hold.
So if you get a J hook, then it can get behind that wood too. Where's that J hook bridle off the rollback? Just hook one from each side.
Hurry, that sticks to be away in the forklift.
As you can see here, we were using the telehandler to get the units out of the trailer and then go up this hill over the guardrail and set them on Casey's slide axle so he could take them back to my yard and offload them there. As you can tell, guys, by this point in the day, everyone was wore out and tired and just whooped. We really put in some hours and worked through the heat. All the GoPros got hot. They were all dead. We didn't get much more footage after this point. Man, we were done. GoPros got hot and everything. So I'm going to add a couple clips of us coming back into the yard and offloading a little bit. I would like to thank everyone that helped me on this deal. Casey, Ladelle, Chris Klein, Denny Wayne Winkenpleck, my father-in-law, Papa Ray, all the TW guys, the roads emergency environmental guys, all the first responders. It was a team effort, y'all, and I would like to thank everyone for helping me as much as y'all did. Thank you very much.
Here it is. Rollback's first time driving into its new yard and loaded with its first recovery.